Did you know there's a fruit that can make you feel amazing? It's not just any fruit, it's a tropical delight that brings a burst of sunshine to your day. This fruit is sweet and delicious. It's called papaya. With its vibrant orange flesh and juicy texture, it's a treat for your taste buds. Papayas are like sunshine on your plate. They are not only visually appealing, but also packed with nutrients that can boost your health. They come from tropical places, but you can find them at many grocery stores. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet town, papayas are within your reach. Stay tuned. I'll share a special papaya tip later in the show. This tip will ensure you always pick the ripest and most flavorful papayas. This tip can help you pick the perfect papaya. Knowing how to select the best fruit can make all the difference in your culinary adventures. Get ready to discover the power of papaya. From its health benefits to its delightful taste, papaya is truly a tropical treasure waiting to be explored. Papayas are famous for helping your tummy. These vibrant tropical fruits are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can aid in digestion. They have a special ingredient. This ingredient is what makes papayas so effective in promoting digestive health. This ingredient is called papain. Papain is a powerful enzyme that breaks down proteins in your food, making it easier for your body to digest. Papain helps break down food. You can add papaya to your smoothies, salads, or even mash it up for a tasty treat. This can make digestion easier. Many people find that eating papaya helps them feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. Papaya can help if you feel bloated. The natural enzymes in papaya can reduce bloating and discomfort, making it a great choice for those with sensitive stomachs. It can also help if you have constipation. Regular consumption of papaya can promote regular bowel movements and alleviate constipation. Eating papaya regularly can help your tummy feel great. Incorporating papaya into your daily diet can lead to long-term digestive health benefits. It's like giving your digestive system a warm hug. The soothing effects of papaya can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. Papayas are a natural way to feel better. Embrace the power of this tropical fruit and enjoy a healthier, happier digestive system. Papayas are full of vitamins. One of these is vitamin C. Vitamin C is like a superhero for your immune system. It helps your body fight off bad stuff. Papaya also has vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for your eyes. It helps you see better. Eating papaya can boost your health in many ways. It's a delicious way to stay strong. Section 4. Papaya Power, Beauty from Within. Want glowing skin? Papaya can help. Papaya is good for your skin. It has lots of antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your skin from damage. They can make your skin look younger. Papaya can also help with acne. It's like a natural spa treatment for your skin. Eating papaya can help you glow from within. And Section 5. Unlock the papaya's potential. Papayas are not just delicious, but they are also packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Ready for my special papaya tip? It's all about choosing the right one. When selecting a papaya, look for ones that are yellow or orange. These colors indicate ripeness and sweetness. They should be slightly soft when you press them. This softness means the fruit is ready to eat and bursting with flavor. Now you know how to pick the best papayas, but that's just the beginning. You can eat papaya in many ways. It's incredibly versatile. Try it in a smoothie or salad. These are refreshing and healthy options. You can also grill it or add it to salsa. Grilled papaya has a unique smoky flavor that enhances any dish. Papaya is a versatile and delicious fruit. It can be used in both sweet and savory recipes. Incorporate papaya into your diet today. It's not only tasty, but also packed with vitamins A, C, and E. Your body will thank you. Enjoy the benefits of this tropical fruit and feel more energetic and vibrant every day.